Welcome to another tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to upload orders from the website. First, open your browser and go to opteze.com. Log in using the username and password shared by your admin. Once you're logged in, download the order sheet format and the sheet guide. We highly recommend reading the sheet guide carefully before filling in your orders. After you've filled out the order sheet, go back to the website and click on the blue Upload area. Select your completed file and click Upload. You'll now see your orders being uploaded. Just wait for the progress bar to finish. Once it's complete, your orders have been uploaded successfully. That's it. You've now learned how to upload orders to Opteze. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.